Hey, it's Shelley from Best Buy Canada's blog. I've been taking a look at the Insignia 14 cubic foot freezer. If you saw my last video on the Insignia chest freezer, the apartment sized one, you'll notice that this one is quite a bit larger. This is definitely the perfect size of chest freezer for a family. It has a power button on the front of the unit, as well as several storage compartments and wire baskets inside. While setting up the Insignia chest freezer, you'll have to attach the handle, and you'll notice on this chest freezer that there is a child lock. Once you attach the handle, just with a few simple screws, then you can use the included keys to lock your freezer. That's a great feature, especially if you're a mom like me and you're always concerned about your child being able to enter the freezer. The temperature gauge on the front of the device, it has a small light so you'll know when it's off and on, and it's just a dial so it's easy to turn. Here's a look at the metal baskets that are included inside the Insignia chest freezer. There's also a shelf on the side, and although it does look deep, it's not very deep. I could easily touch the bottom of it just by leaning over. You can slide to move those wire baskets, and you can remove them if you don't need them. I always like to take a look at the instruction manual when I am setting up a new appliance, and this one will show you everything there is to know about the freezer as well as how to level it. There are feet on the bottom of the freezer, so you can easily turn that so it's exactly level no matter what surface it's on. There are even a few tips in the manual that show you how to save energy when you're using the freezer. This freezer is pretty heavy, so you'll definitely need someone to help you set it up. And I couldn't lift it with one hand like I could the apartment freezer, but you can see here the feet are that you would turn to level the appliance. There's also a drain right there on the outside of the appliance and the inside of the appliance. So when you'd like to defrost it, all you have to do is unplug it and let the water seep out. The light on the lid is very bright, so that's nice too, because not a lot of chest freezers have a light inside. They don't all have that, so it does light up the interior really nicely. There is an energy certificate on the appliance, so if you'd like to know how much it would cost to run it per year, you'll know just by looking at that. And everything you need to set it up is included just right inside when you open it up. This chest freezer is very roomy, so it would definitely fit a lot of food. It's fairly compact, it's not very wide or very deep, and I like the light that's included so that when you open it up, you can see exactly what is inside. It's also nice that it has a child lock. That's it for my look at the Insignia 14 cubic foot freezer. You can find my full written review on this freezer on Best Buy Canada's blog. Thanks for watching.